Brinicles, nature's icy fingers of death in the deep ocean. 10 mind-blowing reasons why they're the ocean's most mysterious killers. Imagine plunging into the frozen depths of the polar oceans, where sunlight barely touches, and the water itself holds secrets as old as the earth. Yet even in this eerie silence, there is something far more chilling lurking below. Brinicles, the icy fingers of death that descend silently, freezing everything in their path. Here are 10 reasons why brinicles are one of nature's most astonishing and deadly phenomena. And by the end of this list, you'll never look at the ocean the same way again. Number 10. They form from the most unlikely source. At first glance, you'd never guess that these terrifying structures start with sea ice. Yes, the very same icebergs and floes you might imagine polar bears standing on. When the top layer of ocean water freezes, it pushes out salt, creating super cold, salty brine that seeps into the water below. This might sound harmless, but the brinicle's birth is anything but gentle. Number 9. The water isn't frozen until it is. You'd think that something icy in the ocean would just freeze like the rest of the water around it, right? Wrong. The brine expelled from the sea ice is colder than freezing, but it doesn't immediately turn to ice itself. Instead, it plunges downward like a deadly river, creating a tube of freezing water as it goes. The brinicle is, in fact, ice forming in real time, from the top down. It's like watching an icicle form upside down. Except this icicle kills. Number 8. They are like underwater tornadoes of ice. The brinicle doesn't just drop straight down in a simple line. As it forms, it spirals and curls, growing longer and wider. The result is an eerie, twisting column of freezing water that has earned it the nickname, the icy finger of death. Imagine a frozen tornado creeping across the ocean floor, silently engulfing everything in its path. It's a spectacle that seems straight out of science fiction, yet it's entirely real. Number 7. Marine life never sees it coming. One of the most chilling things about brinicles is that marine life has no defense against them. Starfish, sea urchins, and other creatures on the ocean floor are simply too slow to escape. As the brinicle touches the seabed, it traps these unsuspecting animals in its icy embrace, freezing them alive. Some might manage to squirm away, but many others find themselves frozen, unable to escape the creeping doom. Number 6. It's a race against time. Once a brinicle forms, it doesn't stop until it hits the seabed, or until the conditions change. The brinicle grows fast. Some can extend several meters in just a few hours. This rapid descent means marine life trapped beneath has very little time to escape. A brinicle can grow so quickly that entire colonies of starfish and other sea creatures are wiped out in mere moments. Number 5. They were a mystery for centuries. For most of human history, the deep ocean was a place of myths and speculation. No one even knew brinicles existed until the 1960s. It wasn't until advanced underwater filming techniques allowed scientists to witness these icy fingers in action that we began to understand how they worked. Even then, it took decades to get the footage that stunned the world. Brinicles freezing sea life in real time. Before this, they were just a strange scientific theory. Number 4. They look otherworldly. If you ever managed to see footage of a brinicle forming, you'd swear you're looking at something from another planet. The way they twist and curl, glowing faintly in the deep ocean darkness, is nothing short of alien. They are a haunting reminder of how little we know about the deep sea, where creatures and phenomena beyond our wildest imaginations exist. Number 3. They're deadly, but only in polar regions. Luckily, brinicles can only form in the extreme cold of polar oceans. The icy conditions required are only found beneath large sheets of sea ice in places like Antarctica and the Arctic. So while they're terrifying, they're not something you'll encounter during your average ocean dive. However, this makes them all the more mysterious. They thrive in some of the most remote, least explored places Number 2, they are a modern scientific marvel. The study of brinicles is still relatively new, and the footage captured of their formation is among the most important in marine biology. These videos give scientists insights not just into the brinicles themselves, but into how life survives and dies in extreme environments. It's even led researchers to wonder if similar phenomena could occur on icy moons or planets with frozen oceans, like Jupiter's Europa. Could brinicles exist in space? Number 1, they are a glimpse into our planet's most extreme environments. The very existence of brinicles shows how life, water, and ice interact in the harshest conditions Earth has to offer. They remind us how little we know about the deepest, coldest parts of our planet, and how much more there is to discover. Brinicles are beautiful, terrifying, and entirely unique to our world. They are a testament to the extremes nature is capable of producing, and they may even hold clues to how life might evolve in environments beyond Earth. So the next time you think about the ocean's icy waters, remember that beneath the serene surface, in the darkest depths, the brinicles lurk, silently growing. They may be rare, but their chilling presence is a reminder that even in the most remote parts of our planet, nature can still surprise us with its deadly wonders. Would you dare dive where the icy fingers of death stretch toward the sea floor? One thing's for sure, the ocean hides secrets even more chilling than we ever imagined. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cool stories like this. Let us know what you'd like to see next in the comments. Subscribing to this channel will bring you a long and happy life. Thanks for being awesome.